This is Shi Zhe Ting for Sprint 2 achievements. As a gamer, I want to have screen features so that I can navigate around the game easily. As an alien, I want to appear non-stop so that the gamer will eventually lose. As a missile, I want to travel upwards so that I can explode myself to kill the alien. These are the acceptance criteria. As a gamer, I want to see a message on the screen so that I know that the game is ready to play. As a gamer, I want to press the start button so that I can begin playing the game. As a gamer, I want to press the reset button so that I can reset the gameplay on the game scene. As a gamer, I want to press the quit button so that I can quit the game. As a gamer, I want to display the number of lives left so that I know how many lives I have left. As an alien, I want to appear from the top non-stop so that I kill the gamer. As an alien, I want to move when I get shot so that the gamer knows that I am dead. As an alien, I want to explode when I come into contact with the spacecraft so that I can kill the spacecraft. As a missile, I want to travel upward so that I can kill the aliens, and as a missile, I want to explode so that I can kill enemies within the explosion boundary. So I'm just going to show you the game right now. Background, the message, and the start button. This provides the quit button, the restart button. The score is over here. Number of lives on the space icon. Shoots. Moves. Square. The alien responds. Then you restart it. Restart the game. You just press quit.